Somebody's asked for a lesson on a tune called Ilem asin Anatoli. Ilem means my son, as in the sun in the sky, and asin Anatoli means from the east, so my son from the east. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll play the tune first. So the instrument's tuned to A, E, B. That's A, E, B. So putting your second finger down, touching the high pitched and the middle string, and the fourth finger touching the high pitched string. And we're going to play forward and back, touching the two strings with our bow. This is touching two strings, this is only touching the high pitched. And then we're going to lift them, drop the first finger on the same two strings, high pitched and middle. Sorry. So we're going to go forward, back, and then we're going to come back. Okay, so it's forward, back, forward on here. And then we're going to drop the first finger there. So forward, back, forward. Finishing back. Okay, that's the first bit. Next bit's that's forward, forward, back, forward, back. Okay, forward, back, forward, back. Okay. Okay. So again, these are the same two. This is touching the two strings. This is touching the two strings. Again, this one's only touching the high pitched. I'll show the bow movement. So it's finishing back. Okay, so that's the sequence there. And then we're going to do just finishing off with the first finger touching the two strings, high pitched and middle, and then no fingers. So starting forward. Now the reason why usually you would just do that, but I'm adding an extra one there because you're lifting, here you're finishing back. That's forward, and then we come forward again. But in order to not lift the bow, I'm just going to add that extra, that last one there, I'm adding it forward. Otherwise you've got to lift the bow now. Okay, so anyway. Finishing forward. And we do that all twice, so it's normally we start. There's two forward bow movements, but I'll add that extra one there just to add the fluency of the bow movement. The next bit is now we're going to go onto the low pitch side and drop the two fingers on the middle and low pitch. we're going to play the bow with the same two fingers we're touching. We're going to play the bow on those two strings. We're going to start forward here, and then we're going to come back, we're going to swivel and drop the second finger on the other side, the mirror. It's an exact mirror, touching the high pitch this time in the middle. That's low pitched and middle, and this is high pitched and middle. So you're going to swivel the instrument using your wrist. And then we're going to lift the second and drop the first finger on the same two strings. That's forward, back, forward, back, forward. Okay, so show the bow movement. Okay, and then we're going to come back. We're going to drop again, second finger touching the two strings, fourth finger touching the high pitch. Okay, so here we're touching, these two are touching two strings. Just jump. Finishing forward. So it's finishing forward. So starting forward. Don't forget to swivel. And the last bit. The bow and start forward again. Sorry. Again, these are all touching two strings. This one's touching two, these two touching. This one's only touching the one. So all throughout the whole tune, this one's touching only the one string, these two touching the two strings. And just at the end we add a little touch the high pitched string. And that's it. I'll just do it one more time. Also start back here, but then there's two flicks back to get back on in sequence. So that's it. You can add extra trembles. You'll notice that there's a few back bow movements, but I've tried to make it so that it flows to the person that asked for it. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.